Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an audience and send emails to your list on Mailchimp easily and efficiently. Sending an email campaign is a must-have skill for anyone looking to engage effectively with their audience, and with Mailchimp, it's a straightforward process. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide to getting your campaign up and running. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look to the left side of your screen for the Audience option. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu that forms the foundation of your audience building journey. We're choosing this because it gives us the flexibility to bring in contacts from various sources into one unified list. You'll be presented with different ways to import your contacts. For simplicity, let's select Copy and Paste. This option is efficient, especially if you have your contacts organized in a document or spreadsheet. Once you've chosen your method, hit Continue. Click Continue to move forward. You're now at the tagging phase. Tags are essential for organizing your contacts into categories. Review all your entries. Click Continue to progress with each contact. Finally, click Finalize Import. This is where your efforts are crystallized into a new audience ready for your tailored campaigns. If everything looks good, click Complete Import. And there you have it. Your audience is ready to grow. Now that the audience is set, click Email New Contact. Next, you'll want to set up your email subject line, from name, and reply to address. Crafting a compelling subject line is your best chance to grab the reader's attention and entice them to open your email. The from name should be easily recognizable to avoid appearing spammy. Then, you can start with a basic layout or choose a pre-designed template that suits your campaign's theme. A great feature of Mailchimp is its drag-and-drop editor, which enables you to easily add text, images, buttons, and social media links. Don't forget to customize the colors and fonts to align with your brand's identity. Once everything is polished, take advantage of Mailchimp's preview and test features to see exactly how the email will look in an inbox. And there you have it, a straightforward method for sending emails. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing.